do nothing. And then you go work the other shift and they be talking the same shit about that shit. They be like, man, I hate that overnight shift. All they do is come in here, they be sleep on the machine, they don't do nothing. And they say the same shit about first shift. Man, first shift don't do nothing. All they do is button their shirt up and look good for the front office people. They don't do no actual work. The real work don't even start until second shift. So you got first shift hating on second shift because first shift, they can't cuss. They can't cuss and they can't wear no headphones. Why? Because of all the corporate people walking around. And then second shift, they gotta do actual work because first shift, their whole job is just to look good. They don't even do shit. From 9 a.m. to 4, they don't do shit. So second shift, they really getting the work done. And that third shift, second shift got all fuck-ups. All the fuck-ups on second shift. You can't have the fuck-ups on first shift. They gonna fuck up all the product while the people there. So you put all the fuck-ups on second shift. So now they fucking everything up. So guess who come and clean it up? Third shift. So now third shift, they been asleep all day, woke up to come work the night shift, cause first shift looked good, they ain't done shit. Second shift then started to work, they fucked everything up. So now you done came in and fixed everything. So now you third shift, you mad. First shift walking in, they done slept all night. You done fixed all first shift and second shift problems, and they got the nerve to say third shift don't do shit. You know what? I'm about to fight. Yeah, cause y'all got me fucked up. I'm about to fight. And you know what? Fuck you, this W2. Fuck them bosses. Fuck them clean shirt first shift people. Nigga, all my uniforms dirty. How the hell first shift uniforms still so clean? They don't do shit. Second shift, I know they don't do shit. I produce 4 times as much as they do. And then I clean up their shit when they leave. Like, bro, it don't make no sense, bro. No, you're not about to know. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Y'all know I'm not lying either, bro. You know I'm not lying. It's exactly how it go. And they be like, oh, go get a real job. So I can deal with that shit. First of all, I'm gonna slap you. And I'm about to go back to every single job I ever had and slap the shit out of all them bosses. Fuck you thought this was? The fuck? Oh, man, I'm supposed to go get a real job, though, right? Deal with all that? Because you got to deal with that? No, I made it up out of that. I ain't never going back to that shit. But I never been so mad then at a W-2 job and I can't fucking cuss somebody out. I don't want to fight everybody. I just want to cuss you out and tell you ain't shit. What's so bad about that? But nope, you do that, guess what? You fired. So I got me a job now where I can cuss as many motherfuckers out as I want, and I'm going to teach you at the same time. Fuck this damn training book. I'm going to teach you my way. Because the DoorDash training book, they going to play you. And I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for none of that. And guess what? I might just cuss them out too. They piss me off enough, shit. Might just cuss your ass out. Shit. Think shit's sweet. Shit ain't sweet. You think I went and got that work permit at 14 so I can put up with this shit at 33? Hell no. I ain't dealing with these company politics and, oh, you want to get him a promotion but he don't do shit? Nah, man. Promote my damn self. How about that? Calm down. Okay, I'm calm. But I had to get that off my chest, though. These people be tripping. Go back, get a real job. To go back to that? To go back and deal with that? Nah, bro. I'm be in jail somewhere. Straight up. I'm be in jail. And then my thing is, every job I ever worked, I always work harder than everybody else. And it's always going to be like that. It's always going to be folks who work harder than others. Folks who, like, I get it. But I ain't got time for that. Nah, bro. Nah. And don't even get me started on the warehouses and the union and all that. Yeah, all right. Union job will get you madder than a regular job. Union job will make you more pissed off than a right-to-work job ever will. Huh. Motherfucking shop steward got your back, yeah, right? He up there having lunch with the motherfucking people in the office. He ain't got my back. Shit. Talking about calm down. I ain't calm. I'm mad as hell. These people know everything. Ain't even worked a real job. Go get a real job. Your ass in college. Man, get your ass up. They building the Raising Cane's right here, y'all. I probably won't be picking up from them because they like to place, they place the order, but then you still got to go up there and place the order after you get the order. Like, that make no sense. I'm not about to place an order when a motherfucker done sent me an order. This ain't no order and pay. $12 for 19 miles? No, sir. I'd rather do that than go back to a W-2. Maybe that's why somebody taking these dumbass orders. Maybe that's why. Because they was like, you know what? At least I ain't got to go back to this W-2 and deal with this raggedy ass boss. So you know what? I will take this $12 for 20 miles. That's probably what they be thinking. Me? Nah. I'm not doing it.